They measured the size of the Earth, without satellites, without planes, without even leaving the ground. How did they know? Picture the ancient world, where the horizon felt endless and the sky pressed close, where the Earth could still be imagined as flat, supported by myth and gods. In this world lived scholars who believed something dangerous for their time, that the planet beneath their feet was a vast sphere, and that its size could be known by human thought alone. The story begins under a brutal summer sun. In one city at noon on the longest day of the year, sunlight poured straight down into a deep well. No shadow touched the water at the bottom. The light fell perfectly vertical, as if the sun were standing directly overhead. But hundreds of miles away, at the exact same moment, something strange happened. There the sun cast a shadow. A slim pole stood upright in the ground, and beside it, a dark line stretched across the dust. It was small, almost insignificant, but to a careful observer it was everything. That shadow was proof that the Earth curved. And if it curved, it could be measured. The scholars didn't rush. They watched. They measured the angle of the shadow. They noted its length, its direction, the precise moment it appeared shortest. Then came the audacious leap of logic. If the sun's rays were effectively parallel, and if one place had no shadow while another did, then the difference in angle between them must be caused by the curvature of the Earth itself. That angle was only a fraction of a circle, a sliver. But circles have rules. Now the race began, not of speed but of patience. The distance between the two cities had to be known, not guessed. Measured step by step, caravan by caravan, counted in days of travel and careful records. Each mile carried the weight of the world. When the numbers were finally brought together, the calculation was breathtaking. Multiply the known distance by the fraction of the Earth's circle represented by that shadow angle, and suddenly the size of the entire planet emerged. The result wasn't vague. It wasn't mythic. It was shockingly accurate, within a small margin of what we measure today, with satellites orbiting the sky. In that moment, humanity crossed an invisible threshold. The Earth was no longer an unknowable mystery. It was a world that could be understood, measured, and held in the mind, all from a shadow, a well, and the courage to trust reason over fear. If this story made you feel the quiet power of human curiosity, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment about which ancient discovery amazed you most. Your support helps keep these stories alive.